In today's video, we'll be using the Cessna 172. We have two sets of controls in the cockpit. They're tied together, so moving one set of controls also moves the other. This allows the airplane to be controlled from either the left or the right seat. These are the control yokes, and down below are the rudder pedals. Let's move to the outside of the airplane and talk about the control surfaces. The elevator, which is controlled with the yoke. The ailerons, controlled with the yoke. And the rudder, controlled with the pedals. Let's show you how all this works. We'll start with the elevator. The elevator on the tail is controlled by moving the yoke in and out, which moves the elevator up and down. This is how we control our altitude in flight. It allows us to climb and descend and to maintain our altitude. The ailerons on the wing are controlled by moving the yoke left and right. This moves the ailerons up and down. When one aileron moves up, the opposite moves down, and vice versa. This is what we use to bank the airplane in flight. To bank the airplane left, we turn the yoke to the left. The rudder on the vertical tail is controlled by moving the rudder pedals in and out, which moves the rudder surface left and right. This allows us to steer the airplane on the ground, and in flight we use it in combination with the ailerons to help coordinate our turns when banking the airplane.